currently ACP in which area?
In Karnataka, sir.
Okay, in Karnataka only. Okay, good. They were
By watching Telugu videos, I came to know about the Global Garner, actually.
Okay. So you are not from Andhra, but you are from Karnataka.
No. I born in Karnataka. In Karnataka only. My mother tongue is Telugu.
Okay. Therefore, you got an easy access from Telugu language. Okay.
Yeah, sir. My mother tongue is Telugu.
Okay, great.
So my forefathers and all migrated from Andhra Pradesh.
Yeah.
So in our area, there are so many people are there.
Okay.
After, but they made as ACP Andhra team. But later on, our state Karnataka team they cancelled my ACP and they joined as a CP now.
Oh wow, great.
So I am a UPOS owner also.
Who is your MCP and MCP? Who is your MCP?
Sandeep, sir. Sandeep.
Okay, Sandeep is your MCP. Great.
A good leader, great supporter.
Of course.
Sir, our UPOS wallet, can we reload on Sunday also?
Yeah, you can do that.
Because there is a backend team not available on that Sunday, no?
Yeah, it is not available, but if it is a special case, you can raise. We will take that and you can do it.
Can we use our GG voucher to UPOS wallet?
Sorry?
UPOS, our GG voucher can use as our UPOS wallet?
No, GG voucher is for users, not for the UPOS wallet.
No, they can buy GG voucher and they can order this Flipkart vouchers. They can buy Flipkart vouchers, no?
As a user, you can do that.
Okay.
As a UPOS, so you already have a wallet, no? Why to buy GG vouchers?
Yeah.
Just ask him how much time he will take.
No. 2 minutes he has given reply me, sir. Just I am waiting for you. Because suddenly I called him, no, he is from other place.
Okay. So he's from Karnataka only or outside?
No, he is from Karnataka only, sir.
Okay, great.
Just I am calling him.
Yeah, Mr. Shivraj. Yeah, you can unmute yourself and you can come on camera. Mr. Shivraj, are you able to hear me?
Shivo. Hello. Shivo, unmute cheyi. Sir, he is unmuted.
But I cannot see him. Neither I can hear him nor I can see him.
Shivo.
Hello.
Sir, Shiva is speaking.
Yeah.
Sir, sound is not audible for me, sir.
Whose sound is not audible? Mine?
Yours only. It's very low.
Okay.
I am not able to hear only.
Are you able to hear me now?
Yes, okay, sir.
Yeah.
The video.
Hello. Sir, actually myself Shivraj, sir.
Yeah, hi Shivraj.
And Satyanarayana sir is my brother, sir.
Right.
From him I got a link and I attended for a WOW class and yesterday I have attended the class how to become shareholder in GG.
Correct.
In that class, in that session, I got one doubt, sir, regarding share market. Yesterday they told me that they will be listing in NSE BSE sites, right?
Okay.
As a promoter, they will issue me per 10 shares at the rate of 5,000 per shares.
Okay.
Is it really possible to get 5,000 rupees per share?
Okay. How do you understand share market, or how do you understand the valuation of a company?
According to their fundamental and according to their
Correct. There is a valuation report,
sir.
and
Definitely.
basis on that valuation report, let's say someone let's say today you must be seeing that Reliance is doing all the equity shares transfer and the valuation and everything, and that is on a very higher side, because once you go on their website or maybe anywhere, you see their equity value to be only 72,000, right?
Equity value?
To be 72,000 crores.
Okay.
Correct.
Okay.
But they are selling their equity at the cost of almost 5 lakh crore. You must have seen Microsoft, everybody is buying their shares. Equity. Basically, this is not the listing that is happening. It is an equity deal which is happening, right? Because currently Reliance Jio is not listed company.
Reliance Jio is not listed company. What you are saying there?
So what do you feel? Reliance Jio is a listed company? Can you tell me what is the share price of Reliance Jio?
Reliance, now present it is 1940 or something, 1920 or something.
It is Reliance Industries or Reliance any other group. Reliance Jio is not listed, sir.
Reliance Jio is IPO is going to be listed in the.
Yes, it is going to be. It is going to be. It is not listed, right?
Okay. Jio is not listed. Okay, sure.
Yes, I am talking about Jio only. Now, Microsoft, everybody is buying equity in Jio only, no?
Jio only. Jio is now mixed with this only, no?
It is not mixed. It is a different identity. The different IPO will come for Reliance Jio. Correct?
No, but now present, what will the now the 1940 is the share price?
That is for Reliance, whatever company it is, Reliance Industries or whatever they have. But Reliance Jio is yet not listed, where Google and everybody has purchased their shares.
Google, nearly 13 investors, 13 foreign investors are invested in Jio.
Exactly. So how they are investing? They are not listed company, no? So how they are investing?
They are not investing only in Jio, no, sir.
Value, which is not
they are not investing only in Jio, no. They are investing in Reliance company.
No, you are totally wrong. They are only investing in Reliance Jio. Read it. That is why I wanted to have face to face, because you see, less knowledge is a very dangerous knowledge. You have to first understand the entire investment, the $20 billion deal, which whatever has happened, it is only for the Jio.
It's only for Jio, you are telling it.
Yes, I'm not telling. Just go. Just right now, you can do the Google.
I will share you some pics, sir. Sir, I will take your contact number and I will share some pics, sir, regarding Jio.
Secondly, okay, you first of all questioned the share price of Global Garner, right?
Sure.
Now you see Global Garner's total valuation is 250 crores, right?
250 crores, okay.
We have total number of shares in the company, which is 5 lakh something, correct? Let's take it as 5 lakh.
So for promoter shareholders or public shareholders, sir?
Public cannot.
For listing it.
We are not listed company, first of all, right? We are a private limited company which is not listed.
Which is not listed. In future, you are going to list, no?
In future, we are going to list. But today, if let's say today I have to give some shares to someone, it has to have a value, no? So let's say
today value, but yesterday in class they told me they are going to list issue price will be the 5,000.
It will be more than that. I'll tell you how and what they are telling. There is a gap in communication. First of all, understand how we derived this 5,000 value for per share.
Okay.
If a company's valuation is 250 crores and company has total number of shares as 5 lakh.
Okay.
What is the value per share?
Okay.
Just calculate it.
Okay.
Please do it.
5 lakh per share.
Not per share. We are saying the valuation of the company is 250 crores.
Okay, right.
and
Okay.
we have total number of shares as 5 lakh.
Okay. Okay.
So what is the per share value?
250 divided by
250
5.
crores divided by 5 lakhs.
Correct.
Then approximate for that amount you are saying that the share price will be 5,000 or around 6,000.
Yes, exactly. So what we are telling to them is that our current valuation is 250 crores, and what shares you are getting for free. Please underline this. We are not charging this 5,000 from them. We are giving these shares for free to them, because whenever we will be listed, because today we are not going to list ourselves, because we will grow ourselves more, then we are going to list. But even today, if you take out per share value, it is 5,000 rupees.
Okay.
Right? So that is how the valuation has come, and which you are saying that it is not yet listed. Just like Paytm is not listed, Flipkart is not listed, or whatever company you talk about, which is not listed, but people are investing into it, no?
Okay.
So this is how we are doing it, right? So I think I cleared this point.
Yeah, sure, sir.
So now we are
I came to know you are absolutely right, sir. But yesterday they told me in future we are going to list in the market. The issue price will be around 5 to 6,000.
Issue price can never.
I shocked how it will be
price
possible.
can never be a 5,000. As you are right on that part. But this is a communication gap. This is a communication gap. But
Now
what we are trying, because look, everybody is not very well versed with the share market and everything, right? So as a layman, we tell them that as a company, we already have a valuation of 5,000 rupees per share. So once we get IPO, your valuation is going to be increased. And we tell them how this evaluation is going to grow. Correct? Because every UPOS getting added, every team member getting added.
Sir, actually, the concept is really extremely good, sir.
Yes.
I'm not blaming about the concept.
No.
Just I want to know about this, how it will be going to work.
Mr. Satyanarayan told me that there is some confusion. So I thought, let's go on face to face and then we should talk. So this is how we say that this at current level, whatever shares they are getting, it is for free. First of all, they are not investing into it. Secondly, the current fair value, which is through our valuation report, which is done by a merchant banker also and a SEBI registered CS also. Correct? So this will officially going to be on our MCA site also. And even if we don't get into all those also, even I can decide any value for my shares, no? When I'm talking about the equity before IPO.
Before IPO, you can tell it 10,000. Okay, you can tell it.
You have to understand what Jio is doing. What Jio is doing. They are doing their own valuation. They are doing their own maths, and basis on that maths, they are offering their shares to these companies. Correct? Like Flipkart and Amazon did. Flipkart was sold for the 100% buyout of Flipkart was 1.2 lakh crores.
Okay.
Correct? So how that valuation came, where if we go with the standard valuation process, they were into negative books, no? They were not even listed also. So there are n number of ways how we determine share value and everything. What basic knowledge we are giving to our people is that this shares whatever, and we want them to be part of this exclusive growth. Right? Because tomorrow when this company will grow, let's say today Jio has grown to 5 lakh valuation, but the distributors are not getting benefit out of that, bro. Only the shareholders are getting the benefit. So what we are doing is we are making our distributors our shareholders. Just because basis on their performance. Today there would be many distributors who have distributed Jio all across India. They have worked very hard to make Jio what Jio it is today. But they didn't have any shares in the company. So this is the first time an effort from a company which is saying it to its distributor, you become a distributor. If you are contributing even 10 UPOs through your team, you are getting these shares for free. We are not charging anything. No, in any case, let's say you are an ACP, anyways, it's your job to sell UPOs. Because if you want to earn, you have to sell UPOs. But we are making it more profitable by making you a shareholder in this company.
Okay. Sure.
Okay.
Definitely. I agree with this, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you for done.
Thank you, Mr. Satyanarayan.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable time spending with us.
Thank you.
Such a wonderful clarification. And I also came to know that the clarifications, what you said, then right now, just now, in future, I will answer on behalf of you.
No, the purpose of this video was that only, because many would be having this same query. So I've recorded it and I'll send it to all so that everyone gets the clarity on this part. So
Yeah,
this
thank
time
you,
on
sir.
the question will not be
Sure.
arising, right?
Sure,
Thank you.
sure, sir. Sure, sure.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr.
Thanks a lot.
Sivraj. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay.